Let's use our rational zero theorem another time to find out if there are some possible rational zeros. We did that by looking at all the factors of the constant term, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, divided by all the possible factors of the leading coefficient, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 15. And if we look at all those, we have plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1/3, plus or minus 1/5, plus or minus 1/15, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 2/3, plus or minus 2/5, plus or minus 2/15. So if there are some zeros here, this is the place to start looking. And I know it looks like, wait a minute, you're asking me to look at every one of these potential things and find out if it's a zero? There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 places to look at. And yes, that is what we're asking you to do, is look at those, because if they're there, this is where they're at. I'm not asking you to look at every other number on the number line. I'm only asking you to look at these 16. And down the road, we're even going to be able to help you shorten that list down even more. But first, you really have to understand this to take benefit of what we're going to show you down the road.